Hi, I'm Miss V, and I'm your student's second grade teacher this year. I graduated from DSU with a degree in elementary education and special education with minors in K-12 reading and K-12 technology. Feel free to contact me anytime via email and phone with any questions, concerns that you may have. I will also have a class website that gives info on what we are learning each week. I will also try to put help videos on how to do different problems that might be hard for your student. I will be basing what I teach off of the Common Core State Standards. This means these standards are guiding me with the content, not how to teach it. These Common Core standards help take the overall goal of learning higher math and breaking it up into smaller, comprehensible parts, just like steps. The Common Core breaks math into two parts: math content and math practices. Math content is what students should learn in each grade level. Mathematical practices are general behaviors that the students should have in math, especially in the classroom. In math, the standards that the students will be learning this year is in 5 broad categories. This is add and subtract within 20, understand place value, how to tell time, how to count money, and estimate length. Along with the Common Core, there are 8 practices. These practices are skills that every student should use sometime during the year. Problem solving will be something students will learn and use every day. It's important because it helps with different learning styles and abilities. I want students to be comfortable in their math abilities. To make students more comfortable with their math abilities, I will be using a math problem of the day. I will use a problem of the day at the start of math class that will have real-world problems. In this problem of the day, students will have to come up with an equation that will help them find the answer. They will have to figure out what number Quentin is thinking about, and we know that it is a 2-digit equation and that it equals to 11, so they need to find x. When students have found the answer to the problem of the day, as a class, we will go over what we are looking for, how to solve, and how we came up with the answer. This is called math talk. Math talk is when students talk about a problem, explaining how they got it and the reason why they did it that way. This helps students talk about math and the reasoning behind how they do a problem. With math talk, there are math talk moves that the students will be using to help them engage in math talk. These moves make it more engaging to communicate how they got the answer. Then we will move on to the new content lesson, which I will give multiple problems for a student to practice what they have just learned. Then I will allow students to work on their homework during class. Whatever homework they have not finished, then that will be their homework that needs to be finished at home. Another strategy is using manipulatives. These are hands-on items that the student can be used to help them understand the concept of numbers and shapes. For example, Unifix cubes are cubes that students can use to help them count within units of 10. In our classroom, we share a cart of iPads with the first grade classes. They will be kept in a cart for charging and security. The iPad has apps that can give your child extra practice with math concepts and can make math fun. One math problem I like to use is Khan Academy, which is a free website that offers practice, exercises, help videos, and it adjusts to the students' personal needs. I can also see their progress on a dashboard. This helps me know what the students need to work on or not. It also gives points for getting things right or trying hard, which can be used for avatar things, which also makes it fun for them to play with. The most important thing to know about this year is how I will assess your student. I will be taking assessments every day, but that doesn't mean I'm giving them a test every day. It could be as simple as a thumbs up. This assessment could be a few question game using Kahoot. This will help me find out who might need extra help or when to move on. If a student does poorly on an assessment or quiz, I will go back and reteach this topic to make sure the student gets to mastery. My overall approach for math is to make sure that the students have mastered a thing. We don't want them to fall behind and not actually fully understand that topic. During any free time, students can work on any assignment that they want to finish. This could be their math assignment. I will try not to assign too much homework for students so that they don't have a lot of homework they need to take home. My email address is on the slide. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, or anything you'd like to add, please email me. I have a couple questions that parents have already emailed me about. The question is, do you make students keep math journals? Yes. I have students tape their math problem of the day to their journals so that they can look back at what they learned. Another question is, I have an iPad at home. Do you have any apps that I could use to help my child at home? I have a few favorites, which are MathSlide and Pick a Path. MathSlide is an app that can do with a group or by yourself. It helps students learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts using different ways of learning in such as finger, text, and diagrams. Pick a Path is an app that students try to make the biggest number they can by choosing a path, but it can also subtract or divide, so students have to think strategically to get the biggest number. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you to know what we are doing this year and how we are doing it.